Hello, paddle builders. It is Monday morning here in southern Wisconsin. Still in the midst of winter, but we have 3 interim paddle shafts to look at here with longing gazes and thoughts of warm summer paddling. I like doing kind of a before and after, so the transformation from a beginning work product, which I think of certainly with this one, I haven't really even shaped anything yet. This is a little further along. And then this one, I just put the blades on last night and took it out of my form this morning. I haven't even got through my first cup of coffee yet. I was anxious to get down here and see how it looks. Morning light combined with the tendency for wood to be kind of washed out, it doesn't really give you a vivid color judgment. There's no luster at all. These are very flat, bland colors. This is butternut here in its undressed state. If we go in a little closer, still nothing. So butternut blade, purple heart. This is 2 pieces of cherry surrounding a middle piece of more butternut. And then my side profile's kind of looking like that. My favorite, preferred, standard 12-degree bend is in effect on all of these. The form that I developed and sell comes standard with a 12-degree bend. That can be easily changed, but that's what a 12-degree bend looks like in hardwood. And this is my first set of paddle shafts from lumber that features leaves in the summer instead of needles. So this is Catalpa and walnut. This is butternut and walnut. This is cherry and butternut. And they're all hardwoods. And that is what's new for this year from Quiet Water Paddles. So if you're interested in trying something a little bit different from my standard fare of cedar and redwood and pine, well, now we've got additional choices. Certainly walnut and cherry. I've got a fair amount of butternut in stock. This Catalpa is the newest and most mysterious one. And I have another shaft, which regrettably I don't have, but it is Sassafras. And I got that pretty much because I like the word sassafras. But it is a hardwood, and I do have that, and we'll see that here a bit later in the week. But for now, in the morning with decent light and some quiet conditions in the shop, this is what I've got so far. And I'm encouraged by these interim results. And come back later, we'll have more finished images to show, hopefully.